vlog. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And we are here in our condominium every Sunday. So dito lang kami nagtatambay at dahil birthday ng aking Frenny. So ayan, meron kaming salo-salo. So ayan, dahil maulan kaya hindi kami gumala. So dito lang kami. Birthday niya, so mayroon kami
Kain na lang ng cake.
cake. So ayan, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So ayan, and then ayan. Dito lang kami guys, and then ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo ang Saiwan Ho Park. So stay tuned.